Hi everybody, welcome. Cut the bullshit, let's get to it. Today I'm doing a review product for the first time for a glitter lip kit by Stay Golden Cosmetics for all you people that like glittery schmiggly lips. So the kit come in this cute small compact package. So in the package you have all these three things. So you have the brush, the actual glitter, and a glue. I think it's a glue. It's a adhesive thing that's supposed to keep the glitter on your lips. They should call it glitter lip kit. Glitter? I'll call it glitter. So I'm gonna apply the glitter right now. Let's start with this, with the glue. It looks like this. Oh my gosh. It smells like... It smells like poison. It smells bad. What's in there? Anyways, okay, we'll try it and see how this works. Even though I don't like the way it smells, I don't know, it smells like, I was kidding about the poison, but it smells like Tipex, like a whiteout, you know? But okay, whatever. So at first you're supposed to put the glue and then you take the brush and you tap on it with the glitter, following their instructions. So we'll do each lip and we'll see how it goes. So this is the final results. Whoa, that angle though. That's what I'm talking about. I like it. I really actually like it. And you know what they say, you can eat with it and drink and even swim. But I don't know, I don't think it will be that comfortable to eat with it because the glitter obviously is on it and it's gonna be all over your food because some of it come out. So the only thing I didn't like was the glue, the poison smelling glue. I don't know, it smelled funny. You know what I mean? I think next time I'll just take liquid lipstick and just put the glitter on it instead of using the glue. That way I think it should stay somehow. I'll try it. Actually, I should try it now. Let me take that off and then I'll try it the other way. The safer way. The poison-free way. I'm back. So I took it off. Lord, let me tell you how long it took me. Oh my god. It took forever to take it off until I used coconut oil. In the instructions, it says that you're supposed to use oil-based makeup remover. Well, I don't have that, so I used a regular makeup remover and water and it didn't work. I was kind of like scraping my lips off, so I used coconut oil and afterwards, like magic, it came out. So for my glue substitution, I'm gonna use this liquid lipstick from Kylie. It's greenish. How dare I describe this sexy color as just greenish? It's not just greenish, it's sexy, it pops, it's everything. This is life. Beauty life. Okay. Comment מדברת, wow. Let me fix this in front of a regular mirror and I'll come back because this is crooked as hell. Better. Now look how sexy this color is. Who needs the freaking glitter? Forget this shit. Just kidding. The red focus. There's a purpose to this video and it's about glitter. So I'm done. This is how it looks. I think I chose that color because you can't really tell it's pink and it's like popping. So next time I'll use like a brighter color. I don't know, I hope you liked it. That's why you guys can order it too and actually try it out yourselves and see if you like the glue. I mean, maybe it smelled bad to me, but for you guys it might be okay. And if not, then you can try and do this too. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe. You can follow too. Peace. If my mom would see this, she'll be like, oh my god. She'll be like, Mungababash. Meaning, what got into you? The devil? My mom is so dramatic sometimes.